I don't know. That's like a design on a fishing rod. Do you like fishing?
Yes. That's what?
Yeah, I'm recording you, just so you know. I was gonna send this video to your mom and your dad, because I think you're gonna catch a fish today. You think so?
Poop.
Who needs to poop?
That's poop.
What's poop? No. What's poop, buddy?
That's poop.
You gotta hold it still. Hold it like that, right there. Just relax. Roll it up. Roll it up. Oh, come on. Keep on going. Keep on going. Hurry. Hurry, hurry. Look, you got one. Keep going. Roll it up. Roll it up. Come on. You got this. Keep on going. Roll it. Roll it. Hurry, hurry. Looks like you got a good fish. Look, you did get a big fish. Good job, Anthony. Hey, buddy. Good job on your first fish. You want to save it and put it back in the water?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put it in the water. Good job, okay? Is that your buddy?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.